Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, Caricature Head of a Laughing Man and 2 other profiles. Girolamo Mantelli, after Leonardo da Vinci, Etching with engraving, 1785, Milan. Etching with engraving, 1785, Milan, with strong wall presence. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal lies in the strength of the composition, the historic character of the subject, and the way the object presents as a collector-ready artwork. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details: composition, restoration, framed presentation. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color, and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Etching with engraving is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame, and visual presence all contributing to its appeal. For a collector, this is an opportunity to acquire a visually strong, professionally presented artwork with character, documentation, and a clear route to inquiry. Visit atlantiques.co.uk, review the artwork page, and contact Atlantiques Gallery to request information or make an offer.